Hello everyone, I hope you are going great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it's look like. Okay, let's upgrade it a little and create it. If you like this kind of content, you may find lots of them in my channel. At first, we need to add a new slide. This blank space, we go to format background. From the background, I use gradient fill with this combination, but you can change it. I also don't like it a lot. It's better this way or this way. I don't know. I have lots of, I don't have anything in common for that, but let's go with this. Okay, after creating the background, we apply it to all. Then we need to create this text. How to create this text? Let me just format it. We use Overdrive Sunset as a font. I tell you how to create it, how to install it, and for the word style, we use this style. Okay, now we need to insert our shapes. The shapes are here. 1, 2, 3. Some of you may have problem how to align them in the center. It's easy. We select this thing and align it center. Then we just simply try to align them here. Okay. Now after aligning them, we select them, go to shape format and no outline, and then we are need to color them up. I go with red, yellow. Because this is a happy presentation, I'm going to use nice colors. And after selecting that, I'm going to round them a little. A little more. A little more. A little. Okay, it's good. Then I need to create the text. I read 1, 2, 3 and select these 3. Go here and set the font to Overdrive Sunset and increase them in size and use this shape format. Okay, and after that we select all of them and go to shadow and give them some bottom shadows. Okay, we create them. Now create a shape here, rectangle, send it to back, set the shape outline to none, and when I format the shape, I'm going to use a slight background fill. You will understand why I'm using this thing. But for now, let's come with it. Okay, we insert these 3 shapes with the text. These shapes are really easy ones. They are just simple rectangles. I create one of them here, then copy it simply to here and here. Then select all of them, shape outline to none, and go here. For the shape option, I gave them some bottom shadows also, and then I'm going to color them up like the top ones. Okay, it's good. Then I set the transparency of them to a lower one. 30 is good. 30, 20 and 10%. 10%. Okay. 10 is a little low. Let's go by 20. After that, I just simply copy the text and paste the text here. After pasting text, I select 3 of them and increase them in size. And select them and send them to back. Now I need to create the effect. For that, I copy this slide and just simply bring this thing out and copy this slide, bring this thing out, copy this slide, bring this thing out. Now I need to create an order here, select all of them, set the transition to morph. Now let's run it. You'll see it's pretty beautiful. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the channel. Until